Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the very first actions. Install Python 3, 10+, and create a virtualenv so dependencies stay isolated. This prevents conflicts later. Once done, pick the framework that matches scope. Flask if you want simplicity, Fast API for async APIs, Django for batteries included, and scaffold a minimal app file. Initialize a Git repository immediately, commit the initial state, and run the development server on localhost so you can iterate fast and see changes as you code. Once the app skeleton runs, focus on the middle work that makes it functional. You design routes or endpoints that mirror user flows, then implement data models and migrations to shape persistent storage. Make sure to validate input and centralize error handling so bugs are discoverable. That reduces firefighting later. Next, wire templates or JSON serializers to views and add business logic incrementally. Also configure environment variables and database connections, Postgres for production, SQL. To finish, prepare the app for deployment and verify it in a staging environment. Freeze dependencies, provide a WSGI or ASCII entry point, and create a Docker file or proc file for your chosen host. Use CI pipelines to run tests and automatically deploy to staging. Once stable, promote to production. If things go wrong, check logs and database migrations first. Mismatched schemas cause most failures, then roll back to the last green build. Make sure to keep clear rollback steps and alerts so you respond quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.